Do you want a beach body for next summer, but you are into esports? You can burn calories with gaming too. Scientists calculated the number of calories burned with each mouse click. The muscles used to bend your index finger weigh 11.7 grams. It's estimated that moving 1 gram of muscle for 1 second uses about 16.7 micromoles of adenosine triphosphate. So, you need 195 micromoles of it to move the 11.7 grams of muscle in your index finger. Since there are 7.3 calories in 1 mole of it, clicking the mouse burns about 1.42 calories. This means that if you are a hardcore gamer, you could burn hundreds of calories daily, and that is not even considering all the typing you do on the keyboard.